morning. I'm back. Last week, I didn't film much at all. Actually, I didn't film at all. I'd reached a point where I was working at my job. I was trying to work on orders. I was filming, trying to keep the house running as well. And I just reached a bit of a burnout, and I just needed a week or so off from filming anything, just to give me take the pressure off a little bit. So it was a great week. It was a really busy week. I had my afternoon tea on Saturday, which is really cool. I was just, working hard, working on orders and trying to get on top of everything. So I finally feel like I'm getting there with stuff. My job's been extended. I'm here for this week and next week, definitely. And then it's back to sewing. So I feel, like I'm starting to get on top of things. I've still got a lot to do. My to-do list is still really long, but I'm starting to get there. So I'm back at work at my job today. I'm going to do a really long day today. I'm just doing 2 days this week, so I'm going to do a really long day today. And then I've got tomorrow and Wednesday to sew, back here Thursday. And I want to get some videos filmed. I've had a few new subscribers recently, so hi new people. Thank you for joining me here. I think I'm going to do a flower crown tutorial this week if everything arrives. I've got fabric arriving for to do a couture process video as well. I'm going to find someone to come and model for me, and I'm going to film the whole process from the design consultation through maybe a couple of fittings through to me making the dress and then showing you the finished thing as well. So I'm really excited about that. Right now I better get in and start work. Hey, today I am with Shona, who is also an alter ego Mad Bee.
Hi.
And tell us your news.
I have made top 7 finalists in Miss First Nations,
which takes place in Sydney in October.
Yes,
so
at the Imperial Hotel.
We've just had a really cool planning session. It's all top secret at the minute, we can't tell you, but
very
top
excitable
secret planning session for an incredible outfit that's going to wow the audiences and judges.
I think it's going to wow the world, baby.
And we're also talking about, we're going to do a fundraiser to help raise funds to get Mad Bee to Sydney.
Yes.
It's going to be on the 22nd of September at the Pollet Bar, and we'll tell you more soon. We've only literally, this has just happened like 5 minutes ago. So it's all new, it's all exciting. I'll put the details up as soon as I know, and I'll tell you more. Follow social media, we'll put everything on there too. I'll put links to your social media
definitely
in the description too.
Yes.
And now we are sat on the sofa in the green shed, and we are going to look for
We've already found bling and excitable stuff.
I know, we found bling just walking down the stairs. Oh my god, this place is just a cavern.
Heaven.
Heaven.
But dangerous
it
to walk
is.
into because your walkout broke.
It's true, but with a lot.
Oh yeah,
brilliant.
no,
I've filmed this place before, you know how good it is. So we're going to go shopping now and see what we can find to use for these outfits we got planned.
Yay! We could end up cutting up this, but I do kind of love it.
No, we're not cutting that up, it's beautiful. So we're going to look for the right colours. And stuff with lots of fabric in.
And stuff, but then it's like size-wise where I'm not itsy-bitsy teeny-weeny.
But we can still cut up the fabric.
That's right.
Exactly. So op shopping tips.
I end up walking out of here with bags of stuff. And I'm like, oh, me and Vicky will get together eventually and work on this one and that one.
So op shopping tips.
Yeah.
Pick good quality fabrics, not stuff that's going to fall apart in 5 seconds.
That's
Pick
right.
fabrics that you love that are the right colour.
Or add laces to the back and then they can be expendable.
I've done that so many times. That's a nice blue. Is there enough fabric there to do? That could be a good blue for what we're thinking for our top secret plans. That's a really good blue, isn't it? That's a lot of gold fabric. See, stuff like this is good.
Oh yeah.
Even if you don't wear it, the fabric's
I know, right?
a really nice satin. I think that's a thumbs up.
Yeah, definitely a thumbs up.
I'm liking the blue.
My daughter would probably steal it.
I'm liking the blue as well.
Animal print.
Oh, can't go past animal print.
Actually, animal print with bling.
Animal print with bling? So, someone just sewn a necklace on that?
It looks like it.
That's really...
Maybe the manufacturer?
Yeah, it looks like it came with it. It's not the greatest. It's pretty cheap two-set fabric.
Only problem is once you get them off the hanger, sometimes... Ooh, that back is good.
That back is good. Hmm.
And then we cheat and we chuck them onto the end.
So that's some good red too. Alright, we're going to keep shopping, see what we can find.
Much magical.
But we're not going to
love,
show you much
beautifuls.
more because we don't want to give it away.
Yeah.
I've just had this fabric delivered. I ordered it about a week ago. It's got here really quickly and it is just amazing. So this is a full width sequined mesh fabric. So it's silver sequins, and I've actually cocked up because I thought it was on a white mesh, but it's actually on nude. But I actually I really like it. It's going to change my plans for what I'm going to do with it, because I've actually bought some white tulle to go with it, thinking it was on white. But I love the sequins and the nude together, so I'm going to come up with a new plan of what I'm going to do with this. But it's just sensational, and I think there's 5 yards of it. Oh my god, it's so pretty and it's so sparkly. I might have to order some of the other colours too. So I'm going to use this for a video for a couture gown. Yeah, I'm going to change my design slightly now because it doesn't go with the tulle I ordered, but oh my god, I can see these bits like on the bottom of a sleeve coming up from your wrist. Oh, there's so many amazing patterns in there, and because it's on the mesh I can cut these out and applique them back on as well. It's just incredible. Look at this. Look at it in the mirror. If I hold it up to the mirror, you can see how sparkly it is. Can't wait to play with it. It's Saturday. This week didn't go to plan. On Monday, you heard me talking, saying I was feeling like I was finally on top of everything. I'd taken some time off filming to get back on track with orders and everything. And then this week threw a bit of a curveball at life, and I'm behind again. So sadly we had a death in the family this week and had to go out of town for the funeral, which was, yeah, very sad, really sad. But these things happen, and now I'm behind, so I'm back here working today trying to catch up. Had a few medical things happen this week too. Medical appointments that took up a lot of time. Yeah, and all of it's just conspired to leave me behind again. But it happens, and when these things happen, you just got to do what you got to do. So I'm back working this morning and trying to get back on top of things and catch up again. So the other day I started filming a flower crown tutorial, and that was going to be up on Wednesday night, but then with everything that happened it just got halted. So I'm about to finish filming that. So I've got all my gorgeous flowers here. I've made one little sort of half crown example, and I've made lots of bases to show you how to make firstly a full crown, but then how to make crowns that tie with ribbon, how to make half crowns or just little floral hair pieces as well. So I'm about to go get set up and finish filming this. I was just looking for a wig I hadn't seen in a while, and I had a whole box of wigs in my wardrobe that I had forgotten about. So I found that was a pale pink one that I was looking for. But I found all these as well, including my yellow wig. Tonight I'm going out for Kartika's birthday, so I'm going to wear my yellow wig because I haven't worn a wig out in ages. I'm showered and moisturised. I've got my hair all pinned up ready to go. So I'm going to go and do my makeup. Give this a good brush. Hopefully it's in good condition. I haven't opened it to check what it looks like. And I'm going to wear my black jumpsuit that I rocked up from a dress, a yellow wig and a big black bow in my hair, and we are going to an 80s bar. So I'm so excited because I love the 80s. So, this is my finished hair and makeup look for tonight. God, I love this wig. I can't believe I haven't worn it in so long. I love it. Just kept it all black, so with a red lip and a black outfit just to keep the yellow colour just a popping. So we're off to see Kartika now and go for dinner and to the 80s bar. So it's Kartika's birthday. Yay! And we're out for dinner. With everyone's reading the menu. Everyone's so hungry they can't look up from the menu. Yes. So last night was loads of fun for Kartika's birthday. I didn't end up filming in the 80s bar because it was packed. It was absolutely packed, but it was so cool. The walls are all black subway tiles with black grout, and then there's lines of neon running through them and through the ceiling that change colour. There's big neon signs on the walls. There's a light up dance floor. I'll have to try and go back there, maybe not on a weekend when it's not so busy in film, because it was just awesome. The music was great and we danced so much. They had cocktails on tap, which was just awesome. And we danced and danced and danced, and then finally it got so hot and so busy we headed back to Kartika's and just chilled out there for a little bit before coming home. So happy birthday, Kartika. Thank you for a fantastic night. I had a brilliant time. This morning I have edited my flower crown video, and all I've got left to do now is film the start and the end of it, which is why my hair is like this. I'm about to do my makeup. I've got a white, sort of silver white wig I'm going to wear with it. I've got the crown here with me so I can sort of choose the right colours to go with it for my makeup, but I think I'm going to keep it pretty sort of pastel-y and soft, maybe this sort of soft gold and pale pink, and then a darker, maybe dark red on my lip. I'll see. I don't have a lot of purpley tones and lilac-y tones. It's not something that I really wear a lot, so, but I've got golds and pinks, so I'm going to use those and create a pretty makeup look to go with my flower crown, then film the end of the video. This is my finished look with my flower crown and the wig. Tiny bit I didn't take into account the extra bulk of a wig when I made this, and it's a bit small, so I just have to bobby pin that. Never mind, I'm really happy with how it's sitting. I love these colours together. So my lipstick is Colourpop Mamacita, and then I've used Colourpop and the Huda Beauty palette to do my eyes, and I've got some Model Rock eyelashes on. So I'm going to go and film the end of the video and take lots of photos ready for social media and a blog post and all of that. So, God, I love this wig. Oh, I love all these colours. I'm really happy with how this has come out. Cool, I'm in the studio. I've got a white backdrop today. I thought I'd keep it really simple with the white backdrop and the white wig, and just let the colours of the makeup and the flowers really stand out. So hopefully I can get some good shots of the makeup and the headpieces. I've got the two other ones, the two little ones to shoot as well. So, tell you what, I'm going to do it. Oh my God, it looks really good in this mirror. I wonder how I could do a mirror shot. Look. How I could do it in the mirror. Ooh, I don't know, I don't think I can. No, I'll just stick in front of the backdrop. I haven't got time to muck around because I've got to get this finished and uploaded. Kind of ruin the illusion. I'm wearing a manky old vest top, tracksuit pants, and then my glam wig and hairpiece. That's it. I'm gonna go finish editing the video and get it uploaded ready for tonight. So have a great week, and I will catch you next week. See ya.